What if I told you that the two halves of your brain are not doing the same job? One side is controlling logic, language, and analysis, while the other is processing creativity, emotions, and spatial awareness. And here's the crazy part. They look almost identical, but they don't work the same way at all. So why did evolution design our brain like this? Why split it into two sides with different roles? Today we're diving into the real biological science behind why the left and right brain have different functions, and why this separation is actually one of the smartest designs in human evolution. This isn't pop psychology, this is neuroscience, biology, and brain evolution. Let's break it down. First, let's talk anatomy. The human brain is divided into two hemispheres, the left hemisphere, the right hemisphere. They're connected by a thick bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum, a biological data cable made of over 200 million neurons. This structure allows the two sides to communicate non-stop, but each side still specializes in different tasks. This phenomenon is called lateralization of brain function, and it exists not just in humans, but in many animals across evolution. From a biological perspective, the left hemisphere is optimized for sequential processing. That means it's really good at language and speech production, logical reasoning, math and symbolic thinking, cause and effect analysis. Why? Because neurons in the left hemisphere are wired in a way that favors step-by-step processing. This is why, for most people, language centers like Broca's area and Wernicke's area are located on the left side of the brain. It's not about being smart or not creative, it's about efficiency. Now let's flip to the right hemisphere. Biologically, the right brain is optimized for parallel processing, handling many inputs at the same time. This side specializes in visual and spatial awareness, face recognition, music and tone perception, emotional interpretation, big picture thinking. Instead of analyzing details one by one, the right brain processes patterns, context, and emotion. That's why damage to the right hemisphere can make someone struggle with recognizing faces or understanding emotional cues, even though their language skills may remain intact. So why didn't evolution just make one superbrain that does everything equally? Because specialization saves energy. From an evolutionary biology standpoint, dividing tasks between hemispheres reduces redundancy. It speeds up decision-making. It allows multitasking without overload. Think of it like a biological dual-core processor. One core handles logic and precision, the other handles perception and creativity. Together, they make the brain faster, more efficient, and more adaptable, a huge advantage for survival. Here's the important part. You are not a left-brained or right-brained person. That idea is a myth. In reality, almost everything you do, from solving problems to creating art, requires both hemispheres working together through the corpus callosum. The brain isn't divided by personality, it's divided by function. Your brain isn't split to limit you, it's split to maximize what you can do. Two sides, different strengths, one incredibly efficient biological system. If you want more science-based explanations like this, make sure to subscribe, because the human brain still has a lot of secrets left to uncover.